Now what? Hey everybody, welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. Today we are going to be doing a full-on review of the Moxie Lolly roller skates, and at the end of this video I'm going to be giving away a pair of new Moxie roller skates, any color, any size that this person desires, on behalf of Planet Roller Skate. So, in honor of that, let's talk about the Moxie Lolly.
That's so cute, Bobo. Okay.
So let's talk about the different specs of the Moxie Lolly. So first I'm going to talk about the actual boot. The boot itself is made out of suede leather, which means that this boot is going to be extremely comfortable and form-fitting to your foot. Having worn this boot, this was actually my first set of roller skates that didn't have anything to do with derby, and when I put them on, I was honestly surprised that they felt like just a part of my foot. Like, it feels like an extension of you because it's so flexible and adaptable, and it doesn't take very long for it to really feel like it is you and wheels. So when you pull the Moxie roller skate out of the box, the Lolly has all sorts of fun, cute designs on the outside. The Moxie Lolly comes in a bunch of different colors. It comes in, honestly, an entire rainbow, everything from light pink, fuchsia, pool blue, floss, orange, yellow. So you get to pick whatever color fits your style the best, and that's what color this is going to come in. This one is the taffy, or the purple. And then on the side, it has the M for the Moxie cut out of the boot, which is like a signature I'm a Moxie roller skate emblem. And then on the inside of the boot, there's gonna have this really pretty design that comes on the inside of every single Moxie Lolly. So it's got this kind of vintagey, they're like flowers and women, and it's very, very cute. It's like a vintage boot, but modern. It comes with a stock lace. So the stock lace is kind of like a tan beige color. So Shove decided to upgrade to these derby laces, which I will be doing a review on actually very soon. And that's about it for the boot itself. Just when you first even begin to touch it, you'll notice that it's very flexible right up here and flexible, and then it gets hard and has that structure down in the bottom, which makes it very form-fitting for most different types of feet. So there is an insole that comes with these skates. It looks like this. It's kind of like a hard felt, but yeah, so there's not much of an insole within the skate. If you see underneath the insole, it is just the bottom of the boot. So if you wanted, you could get a separate insole to put inside of the skate. And then this just, but you know what, honestly, I feel like these skates are really comfortable even with this really basic felt insole. I've never felt like I needed to buy a separate insole, but I also don't have flat feet, and I don't have much arch support issues. So if you had those things, you might want to get an additional insole for your skates. Alright, so the plate that the Moxie Lolly naturally comes with is a nylon plate. This nylon plate is the black one that you see right here. This comes on all of the Moxie Lollies. That is standard. A lot of people upgrade plates eventually, but I'm telling you, for beginners, this nylon plate is perfectly good. A lot of people have questions about it being sustainable under a lot of weight, or with going to the skate park or doing jumps, and I would say yes, this nylon plate will do you good for as long as you want it to do you good for. I am very confident in supporting this nylon plate. It is the basic. Obviously, if you want to upgrade, you would upgrade to different types of plates, but for a beginner, this plate is awesome. And the great thing about this plate is having this plate allows you to have an adjustable toe stop. Now, adjustable toe stops are my favorite things. Fixed toe stops are something that come often on like basic beginner skates, and an adjustable toe stop allows you to lower or raise this toe stop so that you are able to adjust it to your comfort level for when you are stopping or when you're walking on your toe stops. So like, for example, I keep my toe stops pretty high because I like that angle that my feet take when I'm stopping, but you can put them really low if you want to have that comfort there, or in the middle. And when this toe stop starts to wear down, you can adjust it lower so your toe stop actually lasts longer with adjustable toe stops. So that is the great thing about this plate. The toe stop that comes with the Moxie Lolly is a lot smaller than many other toe stops. A lot of us, because it's so small, will call this toe stop a stiletto toe stop, because think like when you're walking on stilettos, you are like having to really balance well on that toe stop because of the small area that you have to balance on it. That being said, I recommend changing this toe stop. I am about to put out a video on different types of toe stops, and I highly recommend looking into the different options for toe stops for your new skates. The next part that comes with the Moxie Lolly on hardware is these wheels, the Moxie Gummy Wheels. Now what's cool about the Moxie Gummy Wheels is that there are so many different color options, and with your Moxie Lolly, you get to pick which color wheel you want. And these wheels are very, very gummy, so they're directly created for skating outdoors. So once you buy a Moxie Lolly, you can know and rest assured that as soon as they come in the mail, you can put them on and skate right out into the street or on the sidewalk, and you will be prepared with these wheels. Now these wheels, what makes them good for the outdoors is they're very soft. So they're bigger, they're gummy, they're going to go over cracks easier and go over sticks or rocks easier than a harder wheel would. The Moxie Lolly.
Hey babe, would you recommend the Moxie Lolly for a good beach skate?
Yeah, I would recommend the Moxie Lolly for a good beach skate.
Would you recommend the Moxie Lolly for skate parks?
I would recommend the Moxie Lolly for skate parks.
Would you recommend the Moxie Lolly for roller derby?
I think that that is up to the skater. Nailed it. All right, so the Moxie Lolly skate comes in sizes 4 through 10, and those are the stock sizes. And then for $100, you can upgrade and get either a half size or a size 11, 12, or 13. Now, the Lolly skate will usually be either 1 or 2 sizes under your regular shoe size. If you're thinking about your Vans shoe size, your like best, closest fit in the Vans, 1 shoe size underneath that will be your Lolly shoe size. For me, I'm a size 9 in regular street shoes, and I am a size 7 in the Moxie Lolly skate. Essentially, you just need to figure out what size you might be and then try them on and see what feels best for you. The best fit is going to be a fit that your feet are in the skate like this and the boot goes all the way around your feet but isn't crunching up your toes like this and isn't making your toes go up like this either. So it just wants to be a snug fit right up there, and that's how you'll know if your skates fit. Also, if you go like this and you are in the skate and there's room in the back or you slide forward, that means that those skates are too big. So that's the sizing for the Moxie Lollies. The Moxie Lolly roller skate costs $299 plus tax and shipping. people, it's time. It is the moment that you've all been waiting for. It is time to announce who won the new Moxie roller skate lollies. Drum roll, please. Woo! Oh my gosh, you won a new pair of Moxie Lolly roller skates. Congratulations! I'm so excited. I'm so happy that I'm able to give you a new pair of roller skates. I hope you love them as much as I do. I love them so much. I think these are just like the best roller skates. I love them so much. Like, I think that they're so great for people across the board. For any type of roller skating that you're really trying to do. I think that they're wonderful. Dear winner, message me and I will get you those pair of roller skates. All right, everybody, thanks for participating in my competition. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And for all your roller skating needs from helmet to toe stop, go to planetrollerskate.shop. And until next time, later, skaters. The sun is nice. Not as nice as these skates.
You're a nerd.